Hi everyone, I'm Laurel Mintz, founder and CEO of Elevate My Brand, and this is EMBiz. Today we're going to talk about proximity marketing. We've talked about this in the billboard world, where you create a bunch of different billboards or linear billboards that have different messaging, but within a certain radius. It's very similar to proximity marketing in the digital space. But of course, it uses real-time location data to target customers at the right place and the right time with the right relevant message. For example, we do this a lot with retail couponing. So for a customer that's in store or about to be in store, especially for new brands that are trying to create velocity within their on-store purchases or on-shelf purchases, the couponing piece allows the brand to specifically and very intentionally deliver a coupon to a customer within a geographic radius. The theory is that then they take that coupon and they actually use it in store to support velocity for that brand and make sure that they can stay on shelves. There's a lot of different ways to use proximity marketing. A few that we use at Elevate are geo-targeted ads. I just gave you the example for couponing. Beacons or NFCs, and that's really, NFCs are just sensors that are placed to pinpoint the exact real-time location of visitors. I know, it's amazing what technology is doing these days. Of course, Wi-Fi is another great way to do that as well. And the reason you might want to focus your brand's efforts on proximity marketing, well, number one, of course, you don't have an unlimited budget, so it creates this really kind of pocketed, very specific, urgent application of marketing in a digital capacity. And it does just that. It leverages the urgency of that moment. So hopefully the couponing is limited time or within a specific framework, or it really is the goal to drive folks to make in-store purchases or digital purchases within a specific timeline. So that is how you can use proximity marketing the right way and really leverage a limited budget and a limited location and timeline.